Today is 13th of August. Today is the Ojude Oba Festival. I have always wanted to go. Finally, I am going today. I'm already dressed. I'm still trying to figure out the bag I'm going to carry, because apparently you're supposed to be very comfortable with whatever bag you carry, because we're going to be doing a lot of walking. Like, when I say a lot of walking, legit a lot of walking. So if you don't know what the Ojude Oba Festival is, it is a festival after Ileya, that is the big Salah, where Ijebu people go and pay the king. So they go and greet the king. There's like a very big festival. We have people with horses, there's a lot of gunshots, food, music. Is lit, it's like legit lit. So my essentials, I've got my vlogging camera with me, what I'm using. I'm going with fully charged power bank, extra cords, fully charged, extra earpiece as well. In fact, I'm going with quite a number of things, but not too much, so that I can be comfortable. The camera is already loaded. That's pretty much it. I'm going to be meeting up with my friend Shola and Tolu. Shola has been in the vlogs quite a few times. I think Tolu too has been in the vlogs, I'm not too sure, but that is pretty much that. So without further ado, people, let's start going to the Ojude Oba Festival. In the frame is my brother, who is reading on his phone, because that's what he knows how to do on his phone. That's what he knows. Dimade, wave to people. Lodo wave. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the road. Now, there was no traffic going to Ijebu Ode. However, I had to pay extra due to the festive activities, and of course it's expected. Also, it rained on my way to Ijebu, so that kind of slowed down movement, but it wasn't so bad. The journey to Ijebu was smooth. On getting to the Ijebu the National Stadium, it was so full and so rowdy. You can see people everywhere. This is TT girl saying "I." So it was so rowdy. Of course, it was an international thing, so a lot of people come from far and wide. These are people that have already done their own displays. They've greeted the king, and you see a lot of horses, a lot of beautiful attires, a lot of drumming. I mean, what more can I say? So here, we're trying to make our way into the stadium, but it was kind of difficult because people were coming out, a lot of people were going in. It was crazily rowdy, and you of course had to be very careful. So I finally made it into the stadium. You can see people in their beautiful attires. I'm not sure, these people are like they're sitting according to their age grade, and every year they pick a new attire. So this is the Balogun and Lausa family doing a display. Can you see them showing off, dancing, singing, showing the rukere up, shekere rather, I said rukere, shekere. Can you see that spinning? It's part of the displays. Then later they started shooting guns. After all of this, then a representative will now go and greet. I want to say go and kill the king. Go and greet the king. Let me just let you enjoy this part.
And now for family. What you want? And they are heavily supported by.
Now, from my understanding, these people also do displays. I'm not sure, but what is happening here now is they're announcing winners
for the different age grades. So there are men, there are women, they are the ones seated all up. I probably next year I want to do an interview with some of them and just understand how this thing is done. But they are announcing winners for the male group and for the female group. So that is what all of this is about. And these guys came first and their women came first as well. I mean, their clothes is beautiful. Like, why the heck not? We did not win.
That is only original second position. And the first position goes to Oba Ijebu Ode Alemo. Oba Ijebu Ode Alemo.
So this is Titi. I think it's yeah. I should use this one, but this is less threatening.
Hey, we're having fun.
You still have no answer. We're waiting for Shola.
We're waiting for Shola.
And Tolu is being a mommy, as per always. So this is Tolu.
She's a mother. Hi everybody. Okay, so I like coming here because it's fun. I get to see a lot of family. This is my third year coming and I don't like to miss it for anything.
Are you from school?
And then, well, maybe I have a little bit of interest in me. Well, but that's not why I come. I just come because I want to have fun and see the whole horse riding and everything. That's it. I'm beside that. Okay.
Over blue.
Over blue, but not
I wanna shoot to the world that you're the bad when you.
So, what's that? That's finished, ba?
I'm not seeing the enjoyment continues.
So this is CI and Tolu, you've not given your experience, your yearly Ojude Oba experience.
My yearly Ojude Oba experience. I don't have a good experience because my phone got stolen last year.
Before, aside your phone being...
Aside my phone, it's usually fun, having to watch the displays.
In whose place?
The displays.
Oh, the displays.
And the colorful attires worn by different societies. Really nice experience.
So why do you keep coming? Aside the one we know.
Well, for this year, really, I didn't want to. I was not so interested again after my phone got stolen last year. But aside the one you know, sorry, that's the only reason why. For the cuckoo, proud cuckoo family.
Say I belong to Kuku. Nah, so
I just love, and for cuckoo, especially for cuckoo family, especially, really, not because I'm going to be married to any of the people.
not because
Not really big. Well, part
I didn't hear.
not main, I'm saying that not majorly because I'm going to be married to them, but the cuckoo family really usually a lovely, beautiful. Their dressing, their displays, their proud.
This one I've loved.
Everything. So I look forward to it here.
Nice. Like when people talk about it, I'm always like, I want to go, and then something comes up. But like this year, I was like, I need to experience it. And then I follow on social media, but yeah, I became quite to it. And then people don't really. I've not seen a video like that shows all the. Maybe next year when I come home, I'll now see, from the beginning to the end, all the drama and everything. But we try.
Last year especially, I had fun. But it just felt like
When did it, was it towards the end they stole your phone? And at least you already had the phone.
I had 5. I was.
Imagine if they are stealing her phone at the beginning, you just be a phone.
Funny thing was that she was taking video. Like she was taking video of her uncle in law.
At your uncle in law.
My last brother.
Jola's brother.
Your uncle.
Jola's brother.
Your brother-in-law.
Yeah, our brother-in-law. And we're just taking video all of a sudden. We just said, where's your phone?
My phone said be finding me. My phone is beginning to get wet, so people are literally done, and like everybody's walking. I know Miss Amanda, so I want to take a picture of Titi. She's posing but I'm making a video. So